What up, guys? So today's project on my 66 is getting all of this in there. 1500 watt amp, performance technique, some Sony tweeters, and alright guys, so today's the day where I get to finally finish the project of the sound system on the 66. Step 1, clean up your work area. Alrighty, step 1, somewhat done, but that stuff ain't gonna bother me. Now, step 2 is remove all wiring that is either useless or in the way. So, on to that. Alrighty, so take off all the unnecessary wires for the moment, and I put some adhesive spray on that for the relay or for the all those with the regulator. So put some adhesive spray on there so it can stay there. And now what I want to do is start figuring out what exactly I'm going to put all of them. Alright, so what I want to do is maybe put some holes on both sides, one and one. That way there's positive for one and positive for the other, and it's not all being cramped through one hole. So I might just make one right next to each other, and then another one for all the smaller cables. That way they're not all being pinched on the edges or front or back, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alrighty guys, so I just got done doing the first hole for the power and negative. I'm not gonna get any closer because it looks perfect from right here. Alright, so then this is the second hole for the RCAs and all the other good stuff. Alright guys, so I'm over here working on the piece of wood that's gonna hold the amps, putting some fabric on it. My tia, every Mexican family's got that one tia or mom that can do pretty much anything with fabric. Alrighty guys, one corner down. Working on this corner again. Almost there. Morning guys, so this is day 2. I was able to put the fabric on that piece of wood. Finally. I'll let it sit all night, so I just have it out here. Just to have it out here, I guess. But first I'm gonna see if it even fits. So I will find out. Alrighty guys, so I got it in. It fit like a glove. Now, what I want to do now, with some of the extra fabric that I have, I'm gonna have just like a little sheet that comes over, pinches in here, and then just like a little flap, you know, just a little flap. Be pretty cool. That's just the idea, but we'll see. But I like how it came out. It's pretty good. I think then I'm gonna vacuum it. And yeah, so first I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put all the amplifiers and the processors. What up guys, so it's a little update of what I've been doing so far. I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna do this right here. 0 gauge to 0 gauge to dual 4. Done. Call it a day on that. Negative is easy as shit, so that's not really what I'm worried about right now. So yeah, that's where I'm at. This is how it's gonna be. I'm gonna zip tie those wires a little bit cleaner. That way they're not overlapping like that. So yeah. I just need to find some actual. I found some screws for this guy that went in easily, but I tried some other ones and they're just kind of spinning sideways or not perfectly down. So I was like, you know what? I'm not even worried about it. So I got something else. So yeah, this is my first time doing this. So if you're like a veteran or like a person that does this on a regular, don't laugh. This is just me in my house and wanting to do something on the side from my car. But yeah, this is where I'm at now. Alrighty guys, so the last clip I took was of me trying to wire the power. I pretty much figured out where to mount the amps and everything else. I went to work the day after that, so I didn't get anything done that day. And then the day after that, I also went to work, simply because they were busy on Monday, so I went to work 2 days in a row, and it was very inconsistent. So I told my dad, you know what, with this quarantine, I'm not trying to put myself at risk, being my health condition. So he was okay about it, whatever. He can be mad about it, but I'd rather him be mad about me not being there than me not being here, period. So the other day, I went to Home Depot and got some screws. They're literally out of anything usable to pretty much make it, to hide away the bolts or the nuts, or the screws. The screws, I should say. And I wasn't about to go and buy some rinky-dinky, oversized drywall screws. So I was like, you know what? I can just tape them over or cover them or try to do something to make them not seeable, because they are pretty shiny for what they are and for where they're at. So, but this is how far I've gotten. This is how it's gonna be. The front side is gonna be towards the seats, and then the corner edges are gonna be on the outer sides, passenger and rear, passenger driver. So this is gonna be the driver's side. I still gotta zip tie those cables and those two also. And then this is gonna be the driver's side. So yeah, this is how far I have gotten. I'm thinking about putting it in today, just setting it in, and tomorrow morning, finishing up wiring. Yeah, with this whole quarantine, I couldn't get anything shorter than 17 feet. So, yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So, and then those wires, I did a little extra just because I didn't want to be like too short. So, yeah, passenger side and driver's side. So, yeah, maybe the next clip after this is gonna be me either installing it or you hearing it for the first time. So, hold your breath. I'm gonna ask my brother or sister to put that all in there nice and tucked, and then start wiring stuff up. Maybe even before I put that in there, I might just put those there before I put the stuff down here. So, and yeah, because I don't want to be like having this stuff and then still having to bring in the subs and possibly, not saying that's gonna happen, but maybe dropping it on it. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got stuff in. The temporary chair, just wiring everything up, making sure, yeah, that's my prop, making sure everything is hooked up right before I turn it on. So Yeah, I just put that speaker there just so I can be assured that there's sound coming through before I hook everything up. So I didn't want to find out that there's no sound, and then I gotta pull the wires that I put over here back out. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys, for the next clip. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day to catch a car on fire. No, I'm just kidding. But I noticed my LC2i wasn't turning on. It had a yellow light for distortion. I was like, this is not right. So I looked up what it could be. Something about negative. And then I was like, that's when I checked the audio sound. I was like, cause there's speakers. The speakers should work. Cause the power comes, I guess it turns on as it picks up audio sound. So, yeah. This is where I'm at right now. So hopefully this happened before, or for some reason, I hope this didn't happen because of right now. But we'll find out. On to the next. Alrighty, guys, I just finished putting in the fuse. Tightened up everything. I got these caps along with these terminals, which I like because I didn't want them to touch anything. So that's a cool thing about them. And then also for the side terminals, the ground, the positive, and then fuse. I got this is the there it is. This is the remote start for pretty much everything else. I have this one going to that one, and then this one going to that one, and then from I believe that one to that one. So yeah, I did that. Yes, I was gonna use the blue one from the stereo, but it was interfering with the signal. I think it was just too much on this thing, so yeah, I didn't use it. It does have a remote, but since this has the GTO greater, I don't know what it's called, but GTO, I guess, like once it receives signal from the sound, it's pretty much knows when to start or when to turn on, so it doesn't need a remote, so that's cool. But the cool thing is that it has a remote out, so you can tell your amps to turn on at that point that this turns on, which is pretty cool. But well, the moment we've all been waiting for, does it turn on? To be honest, I literally just installed the amp and said, well, this is the moment where I hear these things bump. So let's go. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn it on. I hear stuff. Alright, we got blue on this one. Host. Power. Everything is on. Okay, alright. Little other than that views, I hope nothing else goes bad now that it's officially on. Well, I have my cousin's song. This is my cousin Alvarez, Alonso Alvarez. Lo más interesante. I just want to see how that sounds, because I can hear a lot of bass in that song. I'm probably missing out. I'm not trying to bump it right away. Watch, no sound. I'm gonna laugh. Technical difficulty, guys. We gotta check what's wrong. Alrighty, guys, I got it to work. I had to use Bluetooth because I was trying to use this but this iPad is too old, so it's, yeah, I don't know, whatever. But I think I'm gonna have to either kind of tweak with the settings on the amps, cause I'm at 14, and I mean I hear it, but I mean what am I now? 29. Yeah, they're both going. Obviously, these aren't hooked up, but I just want to see how that works. So, yeah. So, everything works so far, so I'm happy with that. So, I'm going to put everything down, work with the settings, and I'll be back with another clip. So, I'm going to put up the speakers. This is only 10. Let's go to... Epicenter and the activate. Para que del bien te dije que eran hermosos. Vaya que no soy mal, que me vayas a hablar. Estos horribles pupilantes se te miran fatal. Qué hermosa sonrisa tienes, te pusiste brackets, te quedaron los tres. Y te crees mis universos, tanto que tuvimos sexo. Agarraste carnitas y no eras puro hueso. ¿Qué diré de tu persona si eres más amargada? Wow. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed doing all this craziness and installing it. I went for a little cruise. As you can see, it's not parked in my driveway. It hits very good for the 2 brand new subs, and still gotta get broken in. So yeah, give me about a week or two, because I'm not driving right now because of this whole quarantine thing. So yeah. So, but anyways, I hope you guys liked it. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. I don't care, bad or good. Hit the like. Hit the like. Don't just watch. Hit the like. Bye. Alrighty guys, well, I really